Video number 3. We've all done this in the CrossFit gyms. A lot of people that overlook this, runners, this is a real big one for you. A lot of people are quad dominant and because of that, the hamstrings get just matted down, and the tension in the hamstring, because of its lack of use or its weakness, then creates less of a function. The hamstring doesn't get the opportunity to function like it should. So, anatomy first off, if I reach behind my knee and I grab hold of these two ropey sections on either side of my quad, behind my knee, that is your lateral portion and your medial portion of the hamstring. So you have your biceps femoris and your semimembranosus and semitendinosus on the inside. If I can feel that bifurcation all the way down my leg as far as I can go, you want to work between that for this one. So I'm going to take my lacrosse ball, put it right into the middle of that bifurcation, put the ball down on the box, put some pressure into it, and then I'm going to try and bend and straighten my leg, putting pressure into that section. I'm going to work all the way down so I can roll the ball a little bit further back. Let's see if I can show you that. So, not really. Ball here. And I'm going to work further down my hamstrings as I can, maintaining a good amount of pressure on it. Your hamstrings are super ropey and need pretty good depth, pretty good pressure into it. One thing to watch for here is your sciatic nerve arises from, the base of your spine. All the nerves kind of come together into this giant, almost mini hosepipe-like nerve, and it comes between the hamstrings and then splits off on either side of the knee. So if you get a crazy nerve symptom down your leg, you have a little bit less mass in your legs, get off of it quick. You don't need to mash on that sciatic nerve. It's a huge nerve. It does a lot for your leg. Give it some space. So something else you can do is, if you're running into that nerve a bunch, take the ball off to one side, feel that lateral portion. This is generally the more important portion with knee pain, I've found. Get to that outside edge, kind of out of the bifurcation, turn your body slightly onto it, and then the same thing goes. Bend and flex as Bella walks past the leg, going through as much as you can on that lateral side, and that's generally a lot more tender for people. Have some fun with that. 2 to 3 minutes a piece. Fix those knees.